Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Nancy and this is my first time here on this channel. Kindly subscribe, share and like my videos and also put on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new tutorials. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I created my first YouTube channel. So let's get started. To have access into the YouTube application, you need to download the YouTube application from your Play Store if you're using an Android or from the Apple Store if you're using an iPhone. But if you have the YouTube application already installed on your phone, then you are good to go. So the next step is to click on the YouTube icon on your phone and it takes you to this page which would have a similar interface like mine. Alright, here on YouTube on the top right corner, I'm going to click on the profile picture icon. I'm going to click sign in. Now, YouTube is attached to a google.com email account. So this simply means that without a Gmail account, you can't sign in into YouTube. Now I went ahead to click continue. So if you have a Gmail account, you can sign in here. Otherwise, on the bottom section, you would see create account. So I'm going to click on create account to create a brand new YouTube account for myself. So just input your first name and your last name. So my first name is Cynthia, while my last name is Yellow. Then you click next, entering your birth date and your gender. Then either create your own email address or you select the email address that was pre-selected. But I usually advise people that it's best to create your own Gmail account, like a new one, because creating a new Gmail account will help you to keep track of when you actually started your YouTube channel. And secondly, it's not advisable to use your personal email address because you'd always receive notifications from YouTube. So it's best you just create a new email address. The next step is to input your password. Now you should include your phone number. So basically this is like a fake account because I'm using it to train you guys on how I created my account, right? So once you've inputted your phone number, you click yes, I am in. But for me, I would skip this process. Review info and click next to agree to the terms. Alright, my Gmail account has been created and it is stated here that I have signed in as Cynthia Yellow. You can then click your profile picture, then you click your channel. Now you should click create channel. So just give it a minute to create your channel. Then you click on the profile picture at the top right corner. Go to your channel. Then boom, your YouTube channel is created. You are now a YouTuber. Congratulations. Alright, so let's do some setup. I'm going to click on the pencil icon. The channel URL is the link to your YouTube channel. This is the link you send to your prospective subscribers and you should also post it on your social media platform for visibility. So the description is all about you, welcoming your subscribers, telling them why you created a YouTube channel, and also encouraging them to subscribe to your channel. Welcome to my channel. I love to sing. So basically, if anyone comes across your channel description, this is telling them that you upload songs. So if that person is interested in listening to music, they'll surely subscribe to your channel. It's your channel, you're free to include more things to the description, but just make sure that your description is precise. Alright, so I've saved the description. To upload a profile picture, you should click on the green circle. Select choose from photos and this will take you to your gallery. Now I selected the picture I would like to use for the profile picture and this is it here. So you can either zoom in or zoom out depending on how bold you want the picture to be. So I think mine is fine this way. I went ahead to save it. To upload a banner, you should click on the camera icon which is at the top right corner. Choose from your photos and select the picture you would like to use for your banner, making sure that whatever picture you are using fits in properly into this rectangular shape. Now you should save the banner. Wow, my channel is looking so beautiful, but if you don't protect your channel, it's likely to get hacked. To prevent this, I'll click on my profile picture, click on manage your Google account. So it's going to take you over here and click on security to set up everything in there, which means having a backup email address, backup phone number, and two-step authentication. I have seen people who don't set up their security things get hacked and completely lose their channel. So make sure you fill in your details. Alright guys, thanks for watching to the very end. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Kindly subscribe, share and like